I'm the shit. Yeah, I know she was your bitch. Yeah, it's something about the wrist. Yeah, we driving fast as shit. Don't ever think about passing me. Always move with a sack on me. I always smell like gas on me.
What's up, guys? So today we're going to be installing this eBay, what size is it? 10 inch?
10 inch, I think.
eBay 10 inch sub in Nick's hoopty wagon.
It's the Merc Mobile. Pretty cool.
Richard figured out his phone is still here. Hey, hide his phone and tell him it's not here. We got that custom everything on this car. Some blown Racelands, some Passat, like B6 Passat with like fucking Mark IV Jetta clamps. And then we're gonna put a sub back here. Where do you want to put it?
I'm thinking the back of the smaller seat.
Oh, really?
What do you think?
I don't know yet.
And plus it says Rockville on the bottom. See, I'd like to put it here, but I'm pretty sure that's not gonna fit. Yeah, that's almost. Too bad it wasn't shorter. We could just.
What about over here?
It looked tacky.
Oh, you forgot your phone?
Bruh.
This guy. That's what I'm saying.
Plus,
I want
the
to be
mounting
comfortable.
goes in the corner, so we'd have to custom mount that shit.
Mounting goes in the corner?
Yeah, like it bolts this way. It looks like. So something.
Where's the control? Hold on, where are the...
They're on the bottom.
On the bottom?
So are you not leaving?
Just gonna help him do this. I told him we're gonna have to wire that shit up tomorrow. Cause if he wants all the wire.
So we're running the ground wire right now. What? Just finding a position for it. So it'll be fine like right here, right? Mm-hmm. So we were running the power wire through the top of this loom right here. Then we're gonna run the wires up, down through here, all the way through to the back. You know, the wires will come up right through here, come out through here, and attach to the sub. Alright, so we're picking up where we left off. We are going to mount the sub to the back of the seat, and then finish running the wires. We have them run out through the whole car. They just need to go behind the dash and up to the radio, and then into the sub when we have it in. So we'll get with that right now. We're currently mounting the feet.
What up, fam?
Yo, fuck this fucking thing, dude. Alright guys, so we got the sub mounted to the back of the seat. We got the ground wire just temporarily chilling. What are you guys working on right now, Richard, with the car?
We're trying to run the wire through the radio.
Trying to pull the radio out and run the wires?
Yeah.
That's how your thing comes out? There's no way.
The glove box?
No, his radio.
Yes, I bolted on.
No, man, there's no way. I've never heard of anybody bolting in a fucking radio.
Okay, hold on.
The baby! Hello, baby! Oh my goodness.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Daddy. Oh.
You gonna dance, Papa? Gonna dance with Daddy?
Mama's. Hey, how are you?
Hi.
Hey.
You gonna dance with Daddy?
You're not busting up my camera?
No. Not yet.
Feel up.
Alright, so where's the progress at? We got the radio pulled out so we can run the wires to the back of the radio.
Alright guys, we got that new DJ turntable installed.
Yo, they don't know about DJ White Bread. DJ Don Dale. Don Dale, Papa. Que tenemos, que tenemos. A remote wire.
I'm about to go see if that door's open down there. Doubt it.
Good luck. I doubt it too.
Cord behind it.
Hey, so the big blue one is the ground, right?
Light this car on fire now.
Normally they're the same color.
Just pick and choose.
Pikachu's.
It's not even fucking matching coordinated to the colors on this.
That's what I was saying. Normally it's the same color. At least like one of them's the same color, so you can, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's tune his bass all the way up. Yep.
This is eBay brand. It's just gonna blow in like 2 days.
Yeah.
It's not actually eBay brand. I just bought it on eBay.
No, it's eBay brand.
Okay.
Came
You
from
got
China.
it on eBay? It's eBay brand.
It came from China.
It came from Rockville, China, Maryland.
Came from like Indiana, but okay.
Okay, hold on. I'm using this to guide my vision. Where, fuck. Got my head on the trunk. what?
That's from your Huskies.
You guys stabbed my seat with a fucking screwdriver.
Yeah! It's the screwdriver holder. Alright, so all the lines are run back here. I need to run the ground, but we need to first buff out some paint so we can ground it properly.
Zip tie these bastards.
And then zip tie garage. Remove some paint because it needs to be grounded to some unpainted metal. And while we're at it, we're going to cut an access hole for Nick to run spray paint through during traffic lights. He thinks I'm joking. We're going to send it, boy. Hashtag sent.
Make sure you guys are wearing the correct PPE, alright?
Yeah.
You guys need some gloves, goggles.
Luckily, my life came with goggles.
No, we're professionals, so it's okay.
Yo, I only went through your car just a little bit. You hear me, Nick? Only went through the well just like tiny bit. Probably fix it with some Bondo.
It's gonna rust though.
You really put a hole in it?
Yeah, just a little one.
It'll rust though. You'll be alright.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Dude, you guys serious or what? I don't know how much damage this car has now. I'm just so confused.
All of it, man. All of it. Alright, so I'm about to smoke a hole right through here with the drill bit as a pilot hole. And then run this bolt to ground out the amp. Well, technically it's a screw. Whew, scare me.
Shit, the whole time I thought it was like some people our age.
Nah. And voila! Alright, everything's buttoned up back here. We'll zip tie these wires out of the way after we make sure everything works. And then they want to show off their wire tucking skills up here. That's pretty good. You can't even see where the wire is.
So we brought it up from this here.
Under the intake or around it?
Around the intake. Once the fuse goes in.
And right to the battery. So everything should be good then, right? Because I'm all hooked up in the back.
That's what we hope. And then look how discreet this will be right here.
Science. Alright, let's see. What happened up front? You guys didn't have shit plugged in? Oh my god. Nothing.
It was just the RCA's one.
Nothing. Hey, which color did you plug in for real? Red to black? Alright, let's see here.
Kinks in my neck. Yeah. Oh yeah, my neck's blocked too because of it. Like,
It's not on now.
I tried telling her, I was like, because
Okay, we got a red light.
I tried to say I'm gonna develop arthritis.
Power status. Green light. Power.
That's not true. She was like,
That's good.
they don't want this.
It's working. It's just very low. It's got the tuning shit back here so you can turn it up. How much was it? 118?
118 bucks with all the wires.
With everything you need.
Internationally known.
Yeah, boy.
Internationally known. Always smell like gas on me. It get cool, but I got heat. I'm at cheese till I switch. So I want this.
Yeah. We bumping now, boy.
Come on, nigga. The house all in the pool get wet. The house all in the pool get lit. I feel in love with a fan on set. Pull on my ears, my wrist, my day. I want to like me raw red. I got hit, but I can trip. Follow the highway with an L. And a new baby control my dick. And I know that I was shit. I know that I'm the shit. Keep it bitch, she just a bitch. Yeah, I was stupid. At least she paid the Uber trip. I'm just saying.
Well, the truck.
I'm just saying. Ice on my neck. I'm in it like
got a drop. Hold on, I'm gonna put the camera in here. Close it. Alright, hold on, I fucked up. Alright guys, that's where we're gonna wrap it here on this video. Oh yes. We're gonna wrap it here. As you can see, $118 from eBay shipped. Good enough for what Nick needs. Alright guys. Back up, Richard. Move your manos. Move your dick beaters. Nick's riding in that style now, boy. Just don't look at the outside of the car.
47 Ronin.
47 Ronin.